How to change the side of the camera toolbar on Instagram. Launch Instagram app on a device. Make sure to log in to your account. Now head towards profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Or else you can simply go to the camera section directly by swiping from left to the right from the home screen. Now as you can see that we have the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Simply, in order to change the side of the camera toolbar, tap the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. And here you will see camera tools. Simply, you can change it to right side and tap down at top right corner. And you'll be able to see that we have successfully changed the side of the camera toolbar on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.